Hey friends, this is Atif over Val and welcome to the new update on Zcash. As in my previous videos of Zcash, I have been showing you that Zcash formed a very big and huge falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we move to the live chart, and here you can see that for the past several months, even for the past several years, since after the month of Feb 2021, it was moving inside this wedge. And now, right now, you can see that the price is breaking out the resistance of this wedge. Previously, it was also stuck inside this down channel that was formed within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you in those days that as soon as the price breaks out the resistance of this channel, it can also break out the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. After the breakout, the price line had a nice short pump, but the price line got rejected by the resistance of the wedge, could not break it out, and then it retested the previous resistance of the wedge at the channel as support. And I was telling you that now this previous downtrend and a quite long-term downtrend and resistance can work as support, and you can see that after a successful retest, the price then geared up, and finally now it is breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, the bigger falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Arbitrum, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of October 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, even for the past several years, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. First, we found the support here in the month of December 2020 after this drop, and the pricing had a nice bounce. Then we had a massive pump, you can see, and the pricing got rejected by the resistance of the wedge here, here, and here. Then we had a big drop, and the pricing had several touch points and bounces from the support of this wedge here. And at the same time, the president also found this quite long-term downtrend and resistance of another down channel as well. From the month of August 2022 up till the month of July 2024, the price line has been moving inside this channel, and the price line after breaking out this channel first was rejected by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and right now after this retest of the previous resistance of the channel as support, the price line geared up and breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line has completely broken out this long-term downtrend and resistance of this wedge, but this is a quite long-term resistance. Therefore, I would suggest you to wait for the price line to close above this resistance of the wedge on the 7 days time frame chart. And when it will be closed above this resistance, then I'm expecting that soon it can also break out this key resistance of $50 as well. That was previously working as a very strong and long-term support here for several weeks a month. And here for several months, it has been working as support here. And before that, it has been working as a resistance here. And recently, you can see that after the breakdown, since after the month of November 2022, it is flipped into a strong resistance. We got several ejections here, and this time the price went very close to the resistance, but could not hit this resistance of $50. But after the breakout from this red, this time it can again hit the resistance. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel is here at the top of the channel at $80, and the long-term target for the breakout from this bigger and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.